Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. In this video, you will know how to remove camera watermark in your tablet Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. Suppose if you take photos through camera, if already camera watermark is available, that is already it is set, it will be showing in the photos that you took through camera. See here I took a photo and see in the bottom left side there is watermark printed. Okay, so if you want to remove this watermark for future photos taken through your camera, then you can do it. For that you have to do some changes in the settings of your phone. First open camera as usual and go to the camera settings here and go to watermark. Just turn off this button and now you will not have any watermark if you capture photos hereafter. Okay, see here I take one photo. I take this and I open the picture that I took and see here the bottom left side there is no watermark. So hereafter if you after turn off that watermark in the camera settings, you will not have any watermark printed in the photos that you took through your camera. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.